Forget boring pasta. We're creating the internet's favorite miso carbonara, and the key starts with flavor. Crisp up your finely diced smoked turkey in olive oil until perfectly golden. This replaces the traditional cured meat, adding incredible richness without skipping on the savory depth. Now for the viral hack, the sauce base. Combine 3 egg yolks, 1 whole egg, pecorino, generous black pepper, and the secret ingredient, white miso paste. Whisk this aggressively until it's a thick, smooth, emulsified paste. This guarantees ultimate creaminess. Next, the crucial step, tempering. Slowly drizzle about 1/4 cup of piping hot, starchy pasta water into the base while continuously whisking. This gentle heat starts the emulsification before the pasta even touches the sauce, preventing any scrambling. Drain your al dente spaghetti immediately and toss it right into the tempered bowl. Use tongs and toss vigorously for at least 60 seconds. The residual heat cooks the eggs perfectly. Add more pasta water, tablespoon by tablespoon, until the sauce clings to every single strand. Finish by folding in those delicious crispy turkey pieces. Serve immediately, topped with extra pecorino and fresh pepper. This miso carbonara is pure velvety heaven, thanks to that simple hack. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.